my sister's finally here and she's mad late. Comment down below if you think we look like twins.
How? If I'm prettier.
If you want it, but you got it. Ain't you ever seen a princess be a bad bitch?
Hey Siri,
What?
take me to Florida Mall.
No.
Okay, one option is the Florida Mall.
Siri don't got my back, y'all. Anyways, guys, I think I broke a bracket
Starting
again.
route to the Florida Mall.
Bro, they're gonna charge me for these brackets. It's okay, Mom will pay it. But so
I don't know why my sister thinks I'm so rich. Like,
she is.
no, I'm not.
She is.
I'm not.
Y'all should see my Christmases.
You know what? I am rich. Gotta speak that into the universe.
Y'all should see my Christmases. She be coming through. I be having more gifts than everybody.
And I be having nothing.
Nuh-uh. I can't wait for this year Christmas.
Why? You ain't getting nothing.
Yes, I am. I'm getting AirPods from you.
Who?
I want AirPods. Okay, we're good.
What?
That nigga.
What nigga?
The cop.
Oh, I'm good. I don't have anything. You on the other hand.
So we're guys, my tags are expired.
Tell them how long they've been expired.
No, a year.
It's crazy. Like, you can go to jail at this point.
No, I don't want to go to jail.
I'm surprised her license isn't suspended.
Yeah, that shit's still good, y'all.
That's crazy.
Like, my apartment is flooded, so then next you know, I called me and this guy for 24 hours. I said, sir, my apartment flooded. Like, you need to come over here and rescue my stuff. Like, this is crazy. So then he come in, he's like, oh, where did all this water come from? I'm like, you tell me, friend. So then he's like, okay, I'm gonna put in a work order for you or whatever. The man never came back. So anyway, so yeah, so pretty much I'm moving into a new apartment right now. So I'm gonna remodel.
So this is like your third time moving this year.
Dang, dude. Yeah, like it was a remodel. Like they just
Because you moved
did
from
the remodel.
that house to mine, from mine to that, and then from that to that.
Yep. Bobby moving.
She be making moves.
Really?
Dora the Explorer. Can't believe Agassi closed. Like, look at it. They're closed. They're done.
Oh, I got a massage from him before. He's so rough, guys. I was like, dude.
Why are you so loud?
Oh, sorry.
My video got like so many views with it. I feel violated. This is what I got. This is what she got. So I don't eat meat. This is tofu. But she got the bourbon chicken, which is so good.
Going inside of morphine.
It smells good. I look whiter. No, I'm using mine look whiter.
Oh, yes.
I mean, I guess.
I need high love.
She's so ugly. Ooh, that's good. Pretty. These look like the lashes I get from Ardell. The 253s, I think. These are beautiful.
Alright guys, so the reason we actually came to the mall, Charlotte Russe, is outfit of the day with the chancletas, nameplate, orange. No, I hate it.
Really?
Yeah, it looks like sleeping gown.
No, it doesn't. You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
You're giving me real like mommy Puerto Rican mom vibes. Cleaning on a Sunday. Forever 21. This is it.
Okay, what about it? What you gonna do?
I need a large.
Oh. And pose. And pose. And pose. What are those? What are those? Hold on, wait, guys. This is the scariest moment of my life. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I made it. Guys, my battery's about to die.
The battery's dying for real?
We're on like 10%. Guys, this man just said that he loves Miriam.
Yeah.
He said, love you, love you.
It was beautiful. It was the most romantic thing I've ever experienced.
He had gold in his mouth and all.
He was so handsome.
I'd be like, can I have your goats so I can pawn them?
Tell me this doesn't look like the sock that the tangerines come in. The halo tangerines. Or mandarins, whatever you call them.
Alright guys, so I found the crop top. It's like the cutest thing in the world. Guys, I'm so happy.
Look at this hat.
Watch your step. Watch this, guys. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh, dang. What are those? K-Swiss coming back with guys, she's always looking at chocolatas. I swear she owns like 50 million of them.
So this was my sister's vlog because she was in the camera like 90% of the time. So we had like a super long day. Like so Hurricane Dorian decided to slide to the left, slide to the right.
Hands on the trees, hands on the...
And she is coming our way, and she's a category
It's
5.
a girl?
I don't know, he.
I couldn't even pronounce his name.
Hurricanes are always women.
I thought it was Duran. I was
Ooh,
like,
he
that
ghetto.
is, Duran from Broward.
I had to go to my sister's house, grab all of her things because
Literally.
because she's evacuating to my house because she lives in a flood zone. We're gonna show you guys what we got. So let's start off with Charlotte Russe.
First, you have to read my hat. This is for what Maria was saying.
Ugly. Or we went to Morphe, and I ended up getting this Filter Effect finishing powder in the color 10 because I needed a finishing powder. Creamy, lightweight formula, shine free, oil absorbing, self-improved. Oh no, we'll see. Your turn.
Okay, so then I went to Forever 21. As I showed you guys, we literally could not find anything, but I ran into this crop top. I love it. It's so cute.
What does it say?
It says princess.
Oh, that's cute.
Because I'm a princess. What else would it say?
And I wore them already, but I got these sandals. So freaking cute. They look like, I forgot what brand. I don't know. But they were only $10.
I know what they look like.
What?
They look like the other 3 that you have that looks like that. So, hey guys, I got this top. Miriam got me this top. See? It looks so cute. It's like
She has a boho, boohoo, whatever style.
It's like a turtleneck, and then it has like a cufflinks around the neck and on the arms. So cute. So guys, this is a dress that I got. I love it so much. I always wanted a neon dress like this. You can't see it's neon, but it's actually neon green. It looks like yellow. Well, is it yellow? It's yellow.
No, it's neon green.
Okay, it's green.
I got this earring.
No,
I think it's so cute. And you don't need like that other piercing. It's like a clip-on for the top of your ear. I thought that was cute. She had one and like I was like, I want one, so I got one. I got this top from Forever 21. It was on sale. Forever 21 is having 70% off. But by the time I upload this, because I'd be procrastinating, the sale's gonna be over. All right, and that's what we got. We didn't really like go all out because I just came from Cali and I did a full-on shopping spree at Fashion Nova. But we're going to call it a night. So we're pretty much gonna be staying in the house the whole time.
We can vlog the hurricane for you guys.
Yeah. The hurricane never showed up, so there was never a hurricane vlog. We'll do like a hurricane vlog.
Oh, and get ready with us for the hurricane.
Hurricane Dorian vlog. Ooh, and we should play games. I have games.
Like what?
Just games, I don't know. Anyway.
Okay.
Alright guys, good night.